Hello everyone, my name is Kelsey Massey. By a raise of hands, have you ever been in need? I have. Have you ever seen someone in need? I have also. So, it can be very sad. Coalition is an alliance for combined action, especially temporary alliance. We hear about Medicaid all the time. Medicaid is a public insurance program that provides coverage to low-income families and individuals. This is funded by the federal government and the states. We hear of many programs that can aid low-income families so they can afford care that they deserve. I have had the opportunity to give to the needy, the hungry, and the poor. I want to ensure that this community has the proper resources to those who are in need. One local organization that helps many in need of affordable medical care, along with many other resources, is the Moore Coalition for Human Care. This coalition's mission has been to alleviate hunger and financial strains of struggling households in Moore County. This coalition is still searching to help others. What can we do, some may ask? We can volunteer. We can give our time, supplies, and our money. So, let's begin looking into the Moore Coalition for Human Care's mission. Let's look through its resources. We can alleviate hunger by providing canned goods to those who are in need throughout the community. According to Sandhills Coalition, Human Care Sandhills, Pinehurst Human Care in January of 2018 states that their main mission was and still is to alleviate hunger and financial strains of struggling households in Moore County. The Sandhills Coalition helps these families by providing food and affordable health care, and they also alleviate any other financial needs that they may have. There are many dedicated volunteers that support this coalition. So, they provide many resources to families in need. These families from the community give what they have to others in need. So, I'm not saying that you should give all that you have. I'm saying give what you can stand to lose. Give what you can stand to live without. The Sandhills Coalition pays for most of the cost when it comes to health care and food. They like to help any way that they can. This is a free-owned organization. When clients visit the coalition, they only are required to pay a minimal amount, and this barely covers the cost of any of the equipment that's provided to them. The coalition truly is a place that only wants to help those in need. So in order to carry out such a mission, staff is simply volunteering from the community. They have the same mission. Reducing financial strain reduces stress. Reducing stress reduces medical-related problems. So some financial strain that is alleviated is the cost of furniture, the cost of clothing items, the cost of any healthcare-related problems. Some housing developments are also provided through the Moore Coalition system. According to Cadwell's post, posted on May of 2020, states that financial stress can stem from being in debt, not earning enough money, and the expense of raising kids, or even being married to someone who isn't good with money. This coalition is in need of rice, canned foods, cereal. There are two distinct campuses, the donation center and the resale shops. Both of these centers are provided for men and women of many shapes and sizes. Right now, this coalition is providing safe services to all the residents during this COVID-19 crisis. Although this virus and disease presents many problems, the coalition is still able to provide to those in need. Being invested in their hard work, we know that there is a true importance for this coalition in our community. Being able to provide care for all is another goal that the coalition in Moore County has. Being able to impact people year-round has been a true blessing and commitment from this community. According to Healthcare from All published by AAFP Home in December of 2019, stated that all options that might have come before federal and state governments and the American people in working to achieve the goal for healthcare coverage for all, a goal that was based upon AAFP policy, which recognizes that health is basic human right for every person, that his right to health includes universal access to timely, acceptable, and affordable health care of appropriate quality. I encourage you to look at this webpage to see all of this marvelous teamwork and endless opportunities that there are to help others. Then again, I hope this encourages you to give to your community. Someone is always in need. Look at the life of a child in need. Try to picture yourself in their shoes. What would you want done? How would you need to be helped? These children have been given materials for schooling. They've been given lunches at schools for free. That way they have something to eat. Now think of the parents. How can we help them to survive? After looking at the mission of Moore's Human Coalition, we have found that we can help those in need by providing the coalition with materials that we ourselves may not need. We can give canned goods, clothing items, we can volunteer, we can donate our time, our money. This is just some of the ways that the coalition is running. While looking throughout this impressive nonprofit service, we can gather that we are simply able to help those in need. Fight for what's right. Some ways that you can help are contributing your time, money, donations. Anything that you set your mind to or give will not just help the organization, but also the entire community. Healthcare can be expensive. Everyone deserves to be able to afford care along with many other things. Will you help? Fight with me. Are there any questions? No? Alrighty. Thank you for your time and commitment throughout this journey. I appreciate you all. And special occasion speech. Number 2. Okay. So, over the years, we have planned out our special day. We have laughed, we've cried, we've shared many memories of what our future may or may not hold. From the times we walked down the young and pretend aisles together, you told me to wear a slip on my head because you thought it was beautiful and it would make a beautiful veil, into the beautiful pink dress that you wore as my maid of honor, but yet you still acted like my groom because you knew I couldn't walk down the aisle alone. I didn't deserve a friend like you. Now it's been your turn. I know that your day has been filled with endless love and joy. I'm so happy for you and your family. I know it's not easy, especially during this time, but I know that you will cherish each moment daily. I love you so much and wish you both the best in your endeavors. So let's say cheers to the wonderful bride and groom. Cheers.
Cheers.